Hi, this is training video number 5. Today's training video is going to concentrate on the pages. We're going to look at pinning pages and dual pages, adding pages and deleting pages. So the first thing you need to know is down the side, on the left hand side, is your page sorter. So you can, if you click away from it, you click here, it goes, and if you click on here, it comes up. So I want to add a page. So if I press this green button, adds page. So I'm going to just add 4 pages. If for any reason you want to delete it, you could just press delete page. So I've got 4 pages. So what I'm going to do is in each page, so can you see how I've clicked there because I want to go to the first page. I'm going to call this page 1 with a capital P. And when I click on there, my page sorter, I want to click on page 2. I click on here, I want to click on page 3. Click back on here, I want to call this on page 4. Okay, so if we go back to the side here, you've got page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the training video 4 to set a background fill for each page. So if all you do is you right click, set background fill. So you can choose any of these colours, or if you go to the 3 dots, you can choose a different colour. So I'm going to type of yellow, and if you see down on the right hand side, there comes some gradients. I'm going to add, okay, that one. So I'm going to click in the middle of my screen now and go to the page sorter. Page 2, I'm going to right click, set background fill, go to my dots, I want to type blue, click on that, okay. So go back to my page sorter, page 3, right click, set background fill, 3 dots, have a type of red, browny even, okay, very nice colour. And page 4, I might want that colour. Ooh, so go for greeny colour. And go through there. Go choose the green. I choose that one. Okay. So I've got 4 pages. So look at my page sort, I've got 4 pages. So if you're running your lesson in page 1 and you just use these arrows to navigate your way through the lesson. Well, there might be a point when you might want page 1 and 2 displayed at the same time. So what you do is you go along your toolbar and you come to view screens. And if you drop down on that little arrow on the right hand side, you can have a multitude, you can make your screens bigger. But we're looking at dual page display today. So dual page display. And what that does is if I go to my screen sorter, what it does is it displays 2 pages at a time. So if I come off that and just go on here and I navigate through with my arrow, so you can display 2 pages at a time. If you want to come off that, all you go is you go back to your view screens and you go back to single page display. Okay, so I'm going to go to dual page again. Right, the next thing I really find sometimes useful is if I want to keep some notes. So I might have my, for example, in mathematics, we sometimes have a worked example. And I might want to display that worked example all the time to refer back to it. And rather than jumping back and forth between pages, you can do something called pin page. So if I wanted to pin page 1, can you see how at the moment it's highlighted, it's got this blue line around the outside, around its perimeter. I could pin this one if I wanted. I'm going to choose page 1, and there's a little pin here, and you just pin page. So that means if you navigate through, remember I've got it on dual page and I've pinned page 1. If I navigate through, page 1 is always there. And to unpin it, you just click on it again and take it off. If you didn't have the pin page on your toolbar, you would have to go to the settings, which is the cog on the right hand side, and then you would just find pin page, you would pick it up and put it on the toolbar, and it's there for prosperity. Is that a word? Anyway, so Okay, thank you for listening to that training, and hope you enjoy it. And remember, email me if you have any problems. Okay, goodbye. Bye.